Good morning, Vietnam. I checked in last night to another place here outside of Rhodes Old Town. It's a really peaceful area over here. I'm gonna have my breakfast and then we will see what we will do the rest of the day. This is our esteemed guest over here, or basically I am the guest here because it looks like he's a local. Oh, good morning, my people. What a wonderful morning here in my swimming pool in nature. Time to enjoy a much needed rest at the swimming pool after 2 long days of recording. Travel is not only about recording and traveling and being on the move all the time. Sometimes you need to stop and relax and enjoy. Rhodes has been a treat for me. Wonderful places to visit, wonderful people. It's just too damn hot. It's about 41 degrees. It's too freaking hot. You can't walk around under the sun from 12 until 5, 6. It's too hot. So right now I'm just gonna chill at the pool, think about my next move. I like adventure videos, to be honest. Exploring abandoned places with my bike, going to nature. Maybe I should focus more on that. I have been making these abandoned places videos mostly in Cyprus, but I am out of nice abandoned places to record, and I don't know if there is a lot of demand for it, at least here in Cyprus. I have made some travel videos as well. Well, they did okay, but not as much as I wanted to. Of course, this is a small channel still. I don't know if it will remain small or grow bigger. Me visiting Rhodes brings 1 or 2 more travel videos in my portfolio. I have traveled a lot before, but I've never recorded anything. I've never went to Asia. I've been to America several times, Europe a lot of times. If I had a camera when I was traveling, I would have some interesting places to show you, more countries to show you. But I'm pretty sure that you can find these kind of videos all over YouTube. There's a lot of great vloggers out there. Harold Boulder, Bolden Backgrab, Timmy Carter. I don't know if Harold Boulder is creating more videos because I see that he is just focusing on his subscription part with his subscribers that pay. Bolden Bankrupt, I think his last video said that he will stop recording. As I understood, he got tired of traveling to faraway countries. Alright, time to swim a little bit, drink my coffee and chillax. See you in a bit. Oh, my love. Αγάπη μου, μωρό μου, κούκλε μου. This is the place where we stay. Wonderful place, wonderful host, amazing place. Beautiful. It's a little bit outside of the city of old city of Rhodes, about 50 minutes away. It's not busy over here. It's beautiful. All right, we are visiting Lindos today. Let's do this. Welcome to Anthony Quinn's Beach. One of the most famous movies, The Guns of Navarone, in 1960 was done here. Anthony Quinn briefly purchased the bay, but was later cancelled by the local authorities. Let's check it out with the drone. Welcome to the best view of Lindos.
Στρίψτε αριστερά. Στη συνέχεια, θα φτάσετε στον προορισμό σας.
Γεια σας.